Good morning, Zion Lit. You're very handsome. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Pinapatuyo mo yung sarili mo, ha? Zion. Good morning. This pet is so handsome. Zion, stay. It's raining. You have a beautiful hair, just like a tiger. Zion, Zion, Zion. A little abstract ang dating ng kanyang video. Si Zion, mga kaibigan, ay isang male cat. Tignan niyo po siya. Mabait po siya, oh. Ang galing. Zion, look at us. No, Zion, no. Zion. Be kind. Kind, Zion. Mabait pong pusa, Zion. Patiks and please. Stay. Stay, Zion. Ayan po. Ayan ang Zion. Zion liit kung tawagin. Yan po si Zion liit. Giniginaw siya. Magpapapet. Magpapapet po siya, mga katiks and please. Oh, Zion, please believe it. I'll never do you no harm. Believe me when I tell you, I'll never do you no harm. When you told me you really need me anymore, oh, you know, I nearly broke down and cried. When you told me you really need me anymore, oh, you know, I nearly... Zion, 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 come. Baba na, Zion. Okay, bye-bye po mga katiks and please. Makulit po Zion eh.